How to make email templates using Gmail. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Whizz. So, in this video, I will be showing you how to make email templates with Gmail. So, stay tuned as we proceed to this tutorial. So, in order to create an email template using Gmail, you will need three things. First, you need a Chrome browser. Second is your Gmail account. And third is a Chrome browser extension for creating email templates. After downloading and installing Chrome, you will be taken to the Chrome welcome page. If you still don't have a Google account, you can create it from here. But if you already have one, then let's proceed. In this page, you can input your email address or phone number here, and then after doing so, just click the next button. And then on the next page, just input your password here. After putting your password, click the next button. After successfully logging in, you will be taken here in the Google homepage. In here, click on the top right side, click on the Gmail text, then you will be taken to your Gmail account. In here, click on the three dots on the top right corner next to the browser, then go for more tools and click the extensions. So guys, in this page, you can manage all the extensions that have been installed on your Chrome browser. To add new extensions, you need to install it from the Chrome Store. How do we go to the Chrome Store? Just click the Chrome Web Store button and now you will be taken here at the Chrome Store. Use the search bar at the top of the left sidebar, then search for Gmail templates. So guys, in this search results, you will see that there are three extensions available that you can use for creating your Gmail templates. You can go through it and select your preferred template. As for me, I will be continuing with the first one, so check on it. On this page, you will find a complete description about this extension. You can go through it and then, if you're finally done checking it out, you can finally click on the Add to Chrome button. After doing so, in here, you will be asked for permission to install this extension. So just click on the Add Extension button. After installing, you will be taken to Gmail.
In here,
You will see
if
some
you wish, you
pop-ups
can go through
showing
this
you that
tutorial,
if you would like
click
to go
that,
through
or
a
if
tutorial,
not, just
then
simply
just
close
click
it.
it. But if you don't, you can just simply close it. After, you will be taken back here in your Gmail page. As you can see that there are two new icons displayed at the top right side corner of the screen. Just click it. Click the HQ icon at the top right sidebar and click Browse Templates. In this pop-up window, you will see four tabs, which are Free Templates, My Templates, MailChimp, and Gmail Drafts. In this Free Template tab, you will find templates that you can use for creating emails. And in My Templates tab, you will find all the templates that you have created and shared. And in the MailChimp tab, you can import your MailChimp templates and use them here. But before that, you need to authorize MailChimp to access your email templates by clicking on the Authorize MailChimp button. And now, we can move on to creating Gmail templates. What do we do? Just click on the Free Templates tab, and on this tab, you will find free templates for all types of emails. In this drop-down, you can see that there are more than 1,000 free templates in almost all categories. You can proceed according to your requirements. You can also search in the search bar to find a specific template, or you can just scroll down to find a suitable template that is according to your taste, requirements, and when you find what you desire, just hover your cursor on it and you will see 4 icons that will appear here. In the first icon, you can use this template directly to compose your email. From the second icon, you can mark it as starred to find out easily later, and then from the third icon, you can edit this template and it will also make a copy of it to your My Templates tab. Lastly, from the fourth icon, you can start email campaigns using this template. Here, we will be clicking on the third icon. Then, it will start creating a copy to your My Templates tab. After that, you will be taken here to the template editor page. Here, in the right side, you will see 4 tabs, which consists of content, blocks, body, and images. Under the Content tab, you can use all these elements to customize your templates, which are columns, heading, text, image, button, divider, HTML, menu, social, timer, video, attachment, record, book me, polls, and unsubscribe. In order to use any of these elements, you have to simply drag and drop them to the place where you want to add them. Let's start by adding a headline. I will be making Web Whizz as my headline. So from the right sidebar, you can customize this headline using options like heading type, font family, font weight, font size, color, text align, line height, and much more. You can customize any element on this template by just clicking on it and the options will appear on the right sidebar. And if you click on this image, then from here, from the upload image button, you can change this image and upload a new one. You can also use this to apply effects by clicking the effects button to apply some effects like filter, filter resize, crop, and much more. And now we come to the Blocks tab. Here, you can add blank spaces or blocks to your templates by just dragging it and dropping it to where you want. Now, come to the Body tab. From here, you can change the text color, background color, content width, content alignment, font family, font weight, and much more. Let us now proceed to the Images tab. In here, you will find all the images powered by, for example, Unsplash, and much more. All of these images are licensed under Creative Commons Zero, so you can use them freely. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific one or just scroll down to find a suitable one or the one that you have preferred to use. Here, we are going to continue with this one. Just drag and drop the image the place where you want to add it. And you can see that it has been added to the template. Once you're done customizing your template, click on the Save and Close button. Now, to use this template, click on this icon at the top right sidebar and under the My Templates tab, click the templates that you have just created. Now, in the pop-up window here, enter your recipient. Now, That's the email ID of the person to whom you will send this email. And then click the send button. So guys, that is how you can make email templates using Gmail. Thank you so much guys for watching, and we will see you again on the next video. Bye!